Is your F-150 key fob not working? Let's get it fixed. First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. These fobs use a CR2032 battery. Open the fob, usually with a small screwdriver, replace the battery, and test it out. If that doesn't work, you'll need to relearn or reprogram the fob. For 2015-2020 models, cycle the ignition key 5 times within 10 seconds while pressing the lock-unlock buttons. Newer 2021 Plus models require syncing through the vehicle's infotainment system or the Ford Pass app. This process reestablishes the fob's connection with your truck. Remember to keep the vehicle away from major RF interference. If battery replacement and relearning don't solve the key fob issue, the problem may involve the RFA or BCM modules. For RFA issues, try disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 30 minutes to perform a reset. For BCM problems, which are more complex, use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. A common code is U0140, showing communication issues with the RFA. Be aware that RFA and BCM resets are temporary solutions. If problems continue, particularly in high-mileage vehicles, the module itself may need replacement. It's advisable to seek professional diagnostics to prevent warranty complications, especially since Ford has issued a recall for BCM issues in certain 2021-2023 F-150 models.